So pretty much, boys, to get the new belt on, the muffler had to come off, motor had to come out, motor had to come out, muffler had to come off. I think it'll send like that, man. And if it falls off on the next guy, you know what? Maybe you should have done some maintenance on it before you sent it through the pond. That would have been such a problem. These little chicken shit motor mounts, and this one is blown to smithereens. Y'all know I'm in trouble when I'm working on something with a flashlight. That's absolutely ridiculous. However, this worked out pretty good with a lot more clearance. Gonna change some spark plugs, new belt. Man, if I was a real guy, I'd change the oil right now, put some Honda GN4 in it. But I just don't give a fuck. Oh, don't look, don't look. Oh, now my camera don't work. It's all black, bro. Yeah, nobody look. Nothing too official. Had to make us a new motor mount for this piece of crap. More water in it than I really thought there was. So, it's gonna be like that on these big jobs. You get in there, you think you're doing a belt. Well, next thing you knew, you're doing the muffler. You're doing a clutch. You're doing daggone motor mounts. You're doing daggone all this other stuff. So, you can see these two sweet mower blades. Or the equivalent of them right there. And basically our new mount, I don't know how spicy it is right now. I tried to rinse it off. Pretty good. Our new mount is going to drop in right here, Tony Hawk style. Weld that sucker down, get it welded to the plastic real good right here too, and then drop these back on it, and we're done data. So we left it, and it fit just perfect so that as the belt loosens, we can pull her tighter, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
That worked out, dude. So there's new motor mounts, because the other two, let me show you them right here. Here's half of one. Half another one. I guess they didn't have steel back in the 80s. They went with rubber.
Yeah.
They couldn't take the Harley quivers.
I thought they just cut up with some hockey pucks.
Oh, you just fucking hole punched them like you said earlier. A hole sawed 3 out. Alright, well, we're gonna see if we can get away with putting the muffler on right now with the motor mounts in. Otherwise, we gotta take it up anyways, huh?
Yeah.
And if we can, then we'll just pull it back off and do all that. Just leave them where they're at. Little throttle. Easy, boy. Damn, popping wheelies. Easy, Reagan. There you go. Now push it forward. Go straight. There you go. Pull this one back a little. There you go. There you go. Both forward. You like it?
Yeah.
Cool, man. Yeah, you better stay over this way. You want to go straight over them tracks like I did, okay? Good job, son. Pull it back a little. Nope, you're good. This thing goes over it good, don't it?
Yeah,
keep going.
Oh, look, a snake.
Oh, a snake, boys. Here, I'm gonna grab it. No. Oh, shit, boy, don't get it wrapped up in my side of the tires. Look.
Oh, great.
So what you do, you come out here. If you want to go at it, look.
Oh,
you
okay.
get a straight line at it. Let it rip, boys.
It's pretty cool.
Now we're definitely floating.
Oh,
you can feel the difference, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
See, I want to aim at that.
Oh, okay.
And go straight at it.
Okay, cool.
Hold on, boy. Yeah, sure. Here we come.
Wow.
I really just didn't know how to drive drive it very well the other day. Less is more for sure. Like holding the throttle, just then if I gave it a lot of throttle, it didn't want to turn it off. But if I just went bop, 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 then it turned me and then straight at the bank.
Makes sense.
Plenty of speed, boys! Gonna grab me a beer? I could let him do this for an hour or so, Brian.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
It's legit moving in the water now, too, a lot better.
I'm like,
It's black because of all the grease I got on the chain, son.
oh.
See? Just let it drain out. Tomorrow, put them back in, we send it.
Yeah.
Here we go, boys. That's all she took on in about, I don't know, 20 minutes, you think? Yeah, we had a lot better luck driving it today, getting in and out of the water. I think less is more on the throttle, like holding the throttle open all the way to get more speed on the water doesn't really happen
Honestly, I think this drives better than that.
in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if it drives better, it floats better. I think the Ranger did better than the Mule.